Hello.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Yeah,
How do you,
I am fine.
I'm sorry, say that again.
Yeah, I am fine and thanks for asking.
Oh, very good. I'm Megan. Good to meet you. So, what are your goals with kind of speaking today? Where are you at in learning English, and what are your goals?
Um, Actually, I want to learn English for personal development, and my goal is being a fluent English speaker.
Very
And if
good.
it doesn't work, I want to be an English teacher as well.
Oh, okay. Very good. All right. So are you wanting to go through? I guess how long have you been on Cambly?
I have been using Cambly just for a month.
Okay, very good. And do you prefer to have just kind of free flow conversations or do you like to go through lessons?
Yeah, I would like to just conversation.
Okay, well, very good. Well, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, my name is Brijesh Yadav, and I completed my post graduation with English, so that's why I want to be fluent.
Very good. Well, you speak very well. Um, so where are you from?
I am from India,
Where at in India?
yeah, northern part of India.
Okay, very good. Um, I'm not super familiar with India, but I do have some family that worked there for a little bit. They had a lot of fun. So, what do you do for a living?
So I do for living. I do farming.
You do what?
Farming.
I, I can't understand you.
I am farmer.
Pharma, is that what you said?
Yeah, I do farming.
Farming.
Yeah,
Oh, very good. Okay. Farming. I apologize. What do you farm?
I farm crop.
What kind of crops?
Crop like wheat, rice, and
Rice.
pulse. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So, what's got you wanting to teach English?
Sorry.
Would you, when you decide to teach English, would you quit farming or would you continue to farm?
Yeah, if I get any better opportunity to teach the children, or
Uh-huh.
I will be a good speaker because it I it's like my dream job, but
Yeah.
it will not work. Then I will remain the farmer because yeah.
Oh, no, you'll be able to teach English. I didn't know if you were going to plan to do both or if you were going to switch from farming over to teaching English.
Yeah, but it's depends on my future capabilities, whatever I will do, and if I will be good at English, then I switch my work.
Well, I think you're already on a pretty good path. So, good job. Um,
Thank.
so what are your hobbies? What do you like to do?
I like to do little bit workout whenever I get time, and apart from that, I just keep watching lots of things in English
Uh-huh.
on mobile. Yeah, because we in this era we have don't a lot of time to uh, do something like roaming throughout the day and gossiping with friends. So I just busy person sometime, so I do little bit workout and like these things.
Very good. Very good. You said you like to watch things in English on your phone. Is that what you were saying?
Yeah,
Good. What do you like to watch?
Recently, I started watching English podcast
Uh-huh.
where I understand his many accent and for pronunciation, I think it's good.
Yeah, that it's very good. It helps you. I don't know. I feel like when you're first learning, you don't deal with a lot of different accents, and so it's easier. And then you start hearing people speak quickly or in a different accent. It's like, whoa, that word sounds totally different.
Yeah,
So, you said you like to work out. What kind of workouts do you do? Do you like to run? Or are you lifting weights? Or
yeah. Sometimes weightlifting and push up as well. And I think running is also very good for us, but I rarely do.
that's good. Good deal. What kind of food do you like to cook or eat?
Sorry, I don't know how to cook the food.
Hey, at least you're honest.
So I would like to know something about yourself.
Yeah.
Like, yeah,
Anything in particular?
particular is your hobbies, your routine, first of all.
My hobbies. Well, I recently had a little boy, so I now stay home and take care of him and our home and everything here. So, but for fun, I like to cook. I like to cook and I like to bake. Um, I used to like to work out, but now, I take Clayton everywhere with me, so I don't go to the gym much anymore. So, but yeah, I have my husband and I have been married for 5 years, and he's a petroleum engineer. So he works, and I stay home with our son. And I used to be in sales before having Clayton, and now we're home. So
So, are you originally from USA?
yes, I am from the USA originally. So I'm from, I don't know if you're familiar with the states, but I'm from the southern part of the US, Texas. And we've traveled all over the US with my husband's job. But yep, I've never lived outside of the US.
So, you like visiting, you like traveling, I think.
Yes, I do. We purposely tried to pick places so we could go different, in different regions. So we lived in the northern part where it snows and kind of in the middle. Now we're back in Texas. We were supposed to go to a wedding in France, but my husband had a job change, so we didn't get to go. I was so excited. But do you like to travel?
Yeah, I like. So, sometimes I travel in other states. I go for summer, and
Uh-huh.
yeah, I read about Texas before 2 or 3 days about a shooting incident.
About a shooting incident?
Yeah,
What shooting incident?
shooting like kill people with gun, and
Yeah.
it's very common, I think, in your country.
Yeah, it's not uncommon. I won't pretend like it's not. But I think in Texas it's at least people are allowed to. So I feel like it's a little less common here, but I don't know. Really. It's a big state, so I've never had it happen in a town that I live in. So that's been nice at least. But
Yeah, so you really enjoy uh, attending weddings of your friends?
I do. We love to go see our friends get married. We like to travel all over for those. It gives us an excuse to go to a new place and see friends again. Um, but everybody's just about getting gotten married. So I guess we're gonna have to make more friends that are gonna get married. I don't know.
Yeah.
So, what are weddings like in India?
In India, mostly people do uh, Yeah, in in June month,
Mm-hmm.
mostly people do marriage, and if they live in other part of India, like they go for their livelihood. So in this month, people come their hometown and they enjoy. They meet with their family,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, of course, sometime in at wedding time, people drunk in drunken state, intoxicated state. Uh,
Yeah.
they dance a lot, and they sometimes they something like people don't like these things. But
Yeah.
yeah, we really enjoy.
So it's a party.
Yeah,
That's good. Yeah, I've been to a lot of different types of weddings. Some more celebratory than others. Some a little more somber. Not a little more serious, but it's always fun. I feel like you meet friends and then everybody moves away and you don't see one another except for big events like having a kid or getting married or something like that. And so it's a good excuse to get to see friends again. But
yeah, absolutely. So I think met with friends, it's very big pleasure for everyone if
uh-huh.
we meet him after a long time.
Yeah, absolutely. So, um, have you ever traveled out of the country?
No,
No. I've only traveled out of the country once, so I, can't really say much there. So, well, very good. Do you like to travel within India though?
yeah, absolutely, because in India there is a lot of place for visiting. India is famous for a lot of things, like many cultures, many holy places,
Hmm.
and many old monuments, many ancient monuments. So it is very good sculpture. So I would like to visit in
Yeah.
future.
What are you wanting to visit next?
Next, I would like to visit Rishikesh.
The what?
Rishikesh is in India, in Uttarakhand.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. I know what you're talking about. I gotcha. Well, fun. That's awesome. So, have you got any trips planned? I know you said you're really busy with work and farming. You don't get to do much.
yeah, because in farming, uh, there is a particular time when you are very busy, like when our crop is ready for cutting and doing stuff like that. So that time we feel busy.
Yeah. When is harvest?
Yeah, it's time for harvest right now.
Oh, really? So you're very busy right now then.
Yeah,
So I guess your seasons would be opposite of ours. That would make sense. Or, off from ours a little bit. Um, does your whole family help you with farming or is it mostly just you?
yeah, absolutely. Our family is helping in this, and our villager also helping in this because in village mostly people do the farming, so that's why it's easy for everybody, and they help each other.
Oh,
So we can't feel very hard, and we easily do it.
well, that's good. So everybody's kind of doing it together. In the
Yeah,
US, when, a lot of times, I mean, it might be like a single family farming, but um, it's not a whole community thing really anymore. So I know, like, I have some friends that are farmers, and my gosh, it is backbreaking work to see how, as long as the sun's up, I know you're out working. It's very hard.
yeah, but in India, that's why India is very famous. People help in each other in every situation.
That's good. That's good that you
Yeah.
have one another. Well,
So
very good.
bye.
Yeah,
Time.
it was a pleasure chatting with you. And I would love to talk to you again soon. Do you normally do lessons around this time?
Yeah, so you can send schedule.
Yeah, very good. Well, I'll send you my schedule and I'd love to chat with you again.
Yeah, I
Thanks.
also like to. Bye.
Bye.